everyone, I'm Alexa with MasterCraft Boat Company, and I'm super excited to show you guys the various MasterCraft helm offerings. The helm design is a crucial component of your boating experience, and within our MasterCraft portfolio, each family, that being the NXT, the XT, and the X, has a unique helm configuration and layout. There is, however, a common thread among them. They all feature modernized displays with elegant interfaces and ergonomics that make the captain's experience both comfortable and intuitive. Now let's dive into the details and talk about the distinguishing features of the three helms that we offer, starting here with the NXT. Just recently redesigned for the 2024 model year, the NXT helm comes standard with everything you need to let the good times roll. This includes a 7-inch touchscreen display and a standard wireless phone charger for those long days at the lake. The 7-inch screen features our rapid surf interface. You simply select the size of the wave you'd like, and your NXT takes care of the rest. We've automated the surf experience so that you can spend more time on the wave and less time on the setup. Factory foil profiles also come standard on each NXT. A new addition for 2025 is the integrated volume knob located on the armrest. This knob allows you to control volume, mute or unmute music, and skip songs without taking your eyes off the water. Now let's go check out the helm setup on our XT models. The helm area of our XTs has been completely redesigned for 2025. A massive 12-inch touchscreen is now standard on all XT models, and the entire helm has a much more modern and clean aesthetic overall. Plus, a convenient storage cubby and phone holder are located behind the steering wheel. This redesign allowed us to maximize space between the top of the dashboard and the windshield header, providing a larger viewing window for the captain. While the hardware upgrades are beautiful, we also reworked the entire user interface to make the XT display more intuitive and customizable. If you liked our Rapid Surf interface before, just wait until you experience it on the 12-inch touchscreen. You also have factory foiling presets built into the XT software. And all new for 2025, enjoy a rudder position sensor on your XT for an enhanced driving experience. Additionally, to make on-the-fly changes easier than ever before, we designed MasterCraft MyDrive, a rotary encoder that puts key controls at your fingertips. The hotkeys, coupled with the rotary dial, allow you to make effortless adjustments while keeping your eyes focused on what's ahead. We didn't stop there either. 2025 XT models also have a brand new helm seat that offers unmatched ergonomics and comfort, as well as a more contemporary design. Below the dash, XTs have a standard wireless phone charger. Last, but certainly not least, let's run through the helm setup of the X family. X models boast our most luxurious captain's experience. Similar to the XT family, the X models received a full helm redesign for the 2025 model year. On each X model, the helm features a dual screen configuration that's now standard. Even better, both of those screens are larger than the previous generation. You'll now be greeted by a sleek 15-inch center display and a massive 12-inch touchscreen off to the right side of the helm. The new X model helm displays also sport the refreshed user interface with a much more immersive rapid surf experience and foil profiles. One of our favorite features is the ability to display the camera feed in full screen mode on the center display. The X's also have the MasterCraft MyDrive encoder, the redesigned helm seat, and the standard wireless charger that we described previously. The key differentiator between the X and XT helms is the digital display setup. XTs have the single 12-inch touchscreen off to the right of the steering wheel, while X's have the same 12-inch touchscreen along with the panoramic-style 15-inch center display. Thanks for joining me today to explore the helms on board each MasterCraft family. If you'd like to experience these in person, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer for an on-water demo. Additional details and photos of the helms are also available at mastercraft.com.